Hey, gang. All right, later. I suffer from insomnia. So fun fact, I do suffer from insomnia. And I've been trying to get myself to get to sleep better, and I found out about white noise, which is, noise that's just sort of, it just soothes the brain. It can be something soothing, or it can be something just nonsensical. And I found some of my favorite white noise bits.
Hi, I'm Angela Geritana.
Hi, I'm Courtney Miller.
Hi, I'm Shane Top.
And last but not least, like those three usually put me to sleep, but I've never gotten to the fourth one. So like I said, nonsensical, doesn't matter, white noise.
Anthony and I can say officially that we
own Smosh.
Out! No, we got him!
White noise, I get it!
Whites.